Very good. Keep going straight, and we're gonna take the West Lincoln. We're gonna go to the highway. Indicate. Very good. So do you see that the sign says 50?
Yes.
Good. So go 50, even 60. It's good. Very good. Do you see the yellow line, Mandeep, over there?
Yes.
Yeah, so this is all ramp. Okay. So when I found the white is coming and my car's straight,
Yes.
I will accelerate. Now indicate left, more gas. More. Check a blind spot. Very good. Again, there's a car beside us. Very good. More gas. Excellent. Perfect. So we merge with about 80 speed.
Yes.
But this is not because of us. The traffic was.
Yes.
The traffic
So-
was about 80.
So this time I had to slow down a little bit so
Exactly.
I could go behind this car
Exactly.
and then merge.
Exactly. Now, when it's safe, change lane to the left and come back to the right. This is part of the test.
Okay.
All right. Very good. So the first thing, the traffic now is going fast,
Yes.
right? Very good. So now, check your mirrors. Very good. Put your signal. Keep it for 2-3 seconds. More gas. More. Very good. Check your blind spot. Gas and go. Excellent. Always don't worry to speed up a little bit when lane change. After you made lane change, maintain your speed. Very good. We are changing back to the right.
Okay.
When it's safe, always the examiners they use, when it's safe, do this.
Yes.
Okay, good.
So I will signal to indicate.
Very good.
Now that person is slowing down, looks like. So I should
Exactly.
check and then-
And the reason he slowed down, you know, because you give your signal in a proper time.
Yes.
Like he can tell you are you doing lane change, okay, and he had enough time to know what's going on.
Yes.
Excellent. And always when you do lane change, look far ahead, as much far, okay? Because sometimes traffic is start slowing down, right? At least you know what to do.
Yes.
Good. Now we are exiting from the exit coming ahead.
Okay.
Very good. Again, the speed limit with the traffic, okay? Never ever now slow down when you are inside the highway lane.
Yes.
Good. When you close to the deceleration, you can give a signal, indicate. I will say from now is okay. Good job. Now check the blind spot. Very good. And always exit right away. Now when the 4 tires, the whole car outside, then start foot off from the brake, from the gas, and gradually slow down. Okay, because this is acceleration lane. You're going into just stay where you are,
Okay.
and you're going to the ramp.
Yes.
Now cancel signal, put signal left, and we are turning left, and just stay same lane. We're gonna merge
Okay.
one more time to the highway. Always when you find 2 lanes turning left, okay,
Yes.
the best lane to choose as a beginner driver or not that much experience, choose the right lane.
Okay.
Okay, 2 reasons. Okay, when you turn, you have more space.
Yes.
Okay. Second reason, you don't have to change lane to the right after you turn left.
That's right. Yeah.
Mhm.
That's very good
Exactly.
point.
Very good. So as much wide, do it. Very good. Excellent. Good job. Now we're gonna take the right turning lane to go to the highway one more time. Very good. So the first time we merged into the highway was not that much hard ramp.
Okay.
All right. This one you see is a different. It's a
Yeah.
30 speed. Okay.
So 30 speed limit.
Exactly,
I
yeah.
see the yellow line.
Exactly. Now I can tell your speed is a 45, kind of more than I want. Okay.
Yeah.
Also, you want to let the examiner feel comfortable while sitting here. So 4 is okay. All right. Now change signal and accelerate.
Yes, so
And you don't have to merge it from the beginning. Acceleration means I have to accelerate to become with the speed limit of the traffic.
Yes.
More gas. More. Very good. Blind spot, check at least 2 or 3 times.
Okay.
Okay?